In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a ChatGPT API key. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. If you're interested in harnessing the power of OpenAI's technology, getting your hands on an API key is the first step. So, whether you're a developer looking to integrate ChatGPT into your applications, or you simply want to experiment with its functionalities, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's head over to the website where you can obtain your API key, open your web browser, and navigate to platform.openai.com. Here's where the magic begins. If you already have an OpenAI account, you'll see a login option in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click that. Enter your credentials to get into your account. Now, if you don't have an account yet, don't worry at all. Just click on the Sign Up button, also located in the top right corner. The sign-up process is straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information, like your email address, and create a password. Once you've filled in the required details, follow the prompts to create your account. It's quick and easy, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Once you're logged into your OpenAI account, you'll want to look for the section that deals with API keys. This is usually found in the dashboard area of your account. Move your mouse to the menu where you see options related to your account. There should be a specific link labeled API Keys. Go ahead and click on that. This is the hub where you can create and manage all your API keys. Now that you're on the API Keys page, it's time to create your first API key. Just look for a button that says Create New Secret Key and click on that. A new window will pop up asking you to name your key. You can be creative here. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. For this demonstration, let's call it First Key. Once you have chosen a name, click on the Create Secret Key button. Voila! You now have your very own API key. It will be displayed on the screen, and here's an important tip. Make sure you copy it to your clipboard right away. This key is unique to your account, and it will be your access point to the OpenAI API services. It is crucial, however, to be aware that once you click Done, you won't be able to access this specific key again. So, treat it like a password, keep it secure, and don't share it with anyone you don't trust. If at any point you think you might have lost your key or it was compromised, you can always delete it and create a new one. Just a quick recap, if you do want to create a new key later on, you can always return to the API Keys section. Whether it's to generate more keys for different projects or to replace one that you feel uneasy about, it's all quite flexible. And that's it. You now know how to get your ChatGPT API key. You're ready to start integrating OpenAI's powerful capabilities into your applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Also, feel free to leave comments down below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!